Hey naturals, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm back with another interesting video. Please click on the subscription button if you're new, and also on the notification button so you'll be notified on our future uploads. In today's video, I share a super hair growth serum with bitter leaves, Vennonia amygdalina as part of the ingredients. This serum is a very potent hair growth product that you can make in the comfort of your home. Did I mention that it's great for the scalp? Yes, this oil will clear all your scalp issues, including seborrheic dermatitis, and make your hair grow without any obstruction. Please sit right back and watch this video to the end, and please remember to give this video a thumbs up. My very first ingredient for today's recipe is bitter leaves, Vennonia amygdalina. That's the other name. You can go ahead and research about these leaves for hair care. Bitter leaves, aka Vennonia amygdalina, is a vegetable used for preparing the popular bitter leaf soup. It is also known as onugbu, shiwaka, ewuro by the Igbos, Hausas, and Yorubas in Nigeria. Although this plant has been around for hundreds of years, only a few people know of its medicinal and healing properties. Please go ahead and research and try out this recipe, and please make sure to tag me when you share. Thank you so much. Bitter leaf, aka Vennonia amygdalina, as the name implies, is actually a bitter plant whose leaves, extracts, stems, and barks are used for culinary, medicinal, and curative purposes. Vitamins in bitter leaves include vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B1, and 12. Vennonia amygdalina has antimicrobial properties. It is a very common plant here in Africa. That does not mean you can't find it on Amazon or in the diaspora. It is a very popular plant that is great to be used for hair care. Bitter leaves helps black hair to keep its color. It also darkens gray and provides moisture and protein. You know, our hair needs a balance of moisture and protein to thrive. So these leaves have got moisture and protein in it. So you have nothing to worry if your hair is low in porosity. So these leaves also thickens hair and grows hair really fast. I'm not even kidding. So what I just did right now is to pluck the leaves. Remember to wash it and dry it before plucking. The next step is to transfer it into my mortar and pound it into a very smooth paste. Please do not use blender, as that can make you tempted to use water to blend. In that case, if you must use blender, make sure to blend with your carrier oil. So after pounding, my very first ingredient for the infusion is olive oil. I chose olive oil because it's everyone's favorite. No one have got anything to complain about olive oil. Please, if your hair loves other oils, other carrier oils, go ahead and use them, especially coconut oil, grapeseed oil, and the rest. To my calibrated beaker, I measured the olive oil up to 150 ml on the beaker. So moving on to my next ingredient, I'm using this cold pressed castor oil that I got from a pharmacy here in Nigeria. From my last video where I used this castor oil, some of you were asking, Dima, is this really castor oil? Of course it is, but is in the cold pressed form. Hence the reason why it's white. It's sold in pharmacy. That does not mean you can use any other castor oil. You can use Jamaican black castor oil. The reason for the castor oil in this recipe is just to further help with hair thickness. As you already know, that's one of the work of castor oil. I went ahead and transferred my pounded bitter leaf paste and give it a good stir just to combine all the ingredients. Moving on, the next thing that I did was to go straight to my stove, lit my stove, pour about 50 centiliter water into my pot and placed on my stove, then lit the stove. So I brought this to a boil, basically covered my pot and brought this to a boil. As soon as the water started boiling, I placed my beaker in it containing all our ingredients. Now for the stirring, make sure not to use rubber or plastic spoons, as that can interfere with the ingredients. You are to stir with either glass stirring rod or this wooden spatula, whichever you have. So after 15 minutes mark, this is like double boiler method, DIY double boiler method. Once it's 15 minutes mark, bring down your beaker or whatever you're using to make this oil. The next process is to strain, and I'm using my strainer for this process. So go ahead and strain and your oil is ready. Your potent DIY home remedy is ready. So the next thing to do is to transfer it into my applicator bottle. And whenever you make oils like this, do not forget to add some preservatives to it. The simplest preservatives you can add to your oil is vitamin E oil. I got this sachet vitamin E oil from a pharmacy as well. Not expensive, just about 700 naira, about $1 plus. So I added just a capsule to it, cut that open and poured in my applicator bottle. And here we have our hair growth oil, and I'll go ahead and demonstrate for you all how this should be used. You can use this as a hot oil treatment. You can also use it to massage your scalp daily. You can also use it to seal in moisture in your hair. You can also use it as pre-poo. You can also add it to your deep conditioners to further help your deep conditioner to do amazing job on your hair. As you can see right here in the video, I had already moisturized my hair, and I'm using this oil to seal in all the moisture. I equally apply this oil on my scalp to further lubricate my scalp and also to help with blood circulation. So in my previous video where I shared with you how I moisturize my sister's hair, if you haven't watched that video, please check few posts away. You will see where I featured my sister. Kindly watch that video and say hi in the comment section of that video. So I used an oil. It's actually an oil mix, not this oil. So I love to lubricate my scalp, or even anybody's scalp that I'm moisturizing with oil. You too should do same. Applying hair growth oil to your scalp sparingly, not to drench it, actually helps a lot. It helps thicken hair. Just as this oil that is very potent is very good, that you concentrate the oil on your scalp, apply sparingly, do not flood it, I repeat, so that the oil doesn't drip all over your face and mess up your cloth. I've already shared a video on Venonia amygdalina. Check few posts away, you will definitely see that video. Go ahead and give it a shot, and also come back and try out this hair growth serum. I can't wait to hear your feedback. Just follow the instructions and see how it works for you. If your hair is receding, if you've got problem areas, especially your edges, concentrate this all in that region, and you will definitely come up with some mind-blowing feedbacks. That brings me to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one shortly.